this bootcamp, we bring together all the students in our master, and each year, each cohort gets together for 3 days of hard work, fun, doing case studies, listen to presentations, and I'm trying to deliver to them the idea that marketing is a leadership task. And leadership needs marketing to find the way and the ideas and the visions to convey to their employees.
I wanted to be best prepared when I enter the real professional industry, and the Marketing Master is just the perfect foundation.
I am French, but I would be really interested in working in Switzerland, and I think to get this master's degree from the University of St. Gallen is really like it can open doors.
I am still unsure about what I want to do next. I think I want to work in the fashion industry, but I think having this insight of what we're going to learn for the next 2 years is going to make everything clearer, and I think I will have a better idea what I want to do like at the end when I get my master.
I chose the University of St. Gallen because, in my opinion, they're the best to do it in Europe, and I think it's a great place to get your master's degree.
Also, after Corona, I think I'm really excited to be back on campus in person.
This master seems to be the perfect match for me.
Just do it, because you meet a lot of new people, you learn so much, and I think it's the best master you can do if you want to go to marketing or business.